Hello! So after all the media buzz and hype has actually died down, did the OnePlus 6T meet or surpass expectations? I mean, this was supposed to be one of the best deals in wireless. So could it really match up with the Samsungs and the Apples of the world? I have had the OnePlus 6T as my daily driver since its release back in November 2018. And you know what, guys? I have a few things to say about this phone. What's up, handsome people? If you're like me and you have a limited income, but you love expensive gadgets, you've come to the right place. On this channel, we focus on getting the best gadgets for the least amount of cash. So if you're new here,
subscribe now.
And hey, don't be shy. Feel free to check out the links in the description below anytime during the video. So let's see if this phone really is the flagship killer that it claims to be. So if you pick up this phone, of course, you'll get the phone itself. You'll get a dongle for your wired headphones, USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack. You also get a super fast charging brick. This thing puts out 5 volts of power. You'll also get a red and white USB-A to USB-C charging cable. But that's not all, folks. They also throw in a case. Can you believe that? I mean, it's a simple case, but hey, kudos to OnePlus for putting the case inside the box. But there is something that I just found out this Friday at work. If you take a look at the OnePlus, you might be able to see a scratch right there and a nick right there. I'm actually really sad about this because I dropped the phone. I dropped it on a metal drawer lip at work face first. But little did I know, as I was reading and researching on the interwebs, because I see this little outline. I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera, but it kind of looks like a screen protector.
Please!
So I was reading about it, and I believe OnePlus does manufacture this phone with a screen protector right out of the box. So without further ado, I haven't peeled this off, so I don't know exactly what to expect. So we'll find out together. All right, you guys ready? Kind of nervous. I mean, I have insurance on this phone, but you know, I don't want to mess it up. So here we go. I'm just gonna peel it off from where it was cut. I'm hoping, at least.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Would you look at that? Wow, it was a screen protector. Oh my goodness. And oh, it saved the phone. It saved, oh my goodness, it saved the phone. Oh man, yeah, cause this case does not have a huge lip on it. So it just fell perfectly, and it, oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, thank you, OnePlus. Thank you. Because I don't know why I haven't, but I just haven't got a screen protector, and little did I know that there was a screen protector already on the device. So kudos, big time kudos to OnePlus. Big time. Oh my goodness. So now that we've gone over what you get in the box, let's talk about what keeps me smiling and what could be better. So the first thing that's got me grinning from ear to ear is the price. I'm always looking for a deal, and this phone has an excellent starting price. It starts out at $549 with 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. Now, this T-Mobile version that I have is $580, but it has 8 gigabytes of RAM with the same 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. Most flagships with these specs are near $1,000 or more. So for almost half the price, you get a lot of bang for your buck, but that's not all. The speed of this thing is bananas. This version comes with a Snapdragon 845, and like I said earlier, 8 gigabytes of RAM. That is one powerful couple. But remember,
oh, it's not about the size of the RAM that your phone has, but it's how you use it.
So, well, just let me show you. We're just gonna do a quick speed test to see how everything goes. I have no recent apps. Everything should be cleared. And well, let's see what happens. So we got a game loading, Asphalt Legends. This is a high intensity game. A lot of graphics. All right, so we got that running. Chick-fil-A. Yes, Chick-fil-A. Closed today, it's Sunday. Ain't that the worst? You always crave Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. Man, I'll never understand that. We got my Hue lights, Philips Hue lights. Okay, got the studio on, of course, bright as ever. YouTube Studio, let's open that up. Bam, there we go. Just posted a new video. Hey, 45 views, pretty good. 1,683 subscribers, excellent. Next, let's open the McDonald's app, feel a little hungry. Of course, I would prefer Chick-fil-A, but. All right, Panda Express. Let's open that app up. Okay, play music. Quick, very quick. Redbox, let's watch a movie. Bam, loaded. Subscriber count, like I said earlier, 1,683 subscribers. Make sure to subscribe. Sonic the Hedgehog. Gaming mode is turned on. All right. All these apps that are open and ready to be used. So fast. Normally on other phones, I would use another launcher so the phone can run much smoother, but not in this case. OnePlus has the experience down pat, and it's so snappy
And buttery smooth.
So right out of the box, you get the latest and greatest Android. There's no need to worry about being left behind. Consumers love to upgrade their phone's operating system as soon as it's released. Or maybe it's just nerds like me. Anyway, OnePlus phones are one of the first phones to get updated when a new Android operating system comes out. Yet the company's only been around for about 5 years, and yet it's already made a huge impact on the Android world. So if we go to the settings, you'll see what I'm talking about. System updated to Android version 9, which is Android Pie, the latest and greatest. This design has me dreaming of a notchless screen display. We are so close. Yes, this does have a notch, but it's a little teardrop notch housing the front camera that is barely noticeable in my opinion. And it's a pretty good looking notch. If you have to have a notch, I mean, yeah, this will do. The left side right here, we have our volume rocker, volume down, volume up. On the right side, we have our power button. And, well, what is this? It is a switch. Huh, I wonder what this switch does. Well, let me show you. Switching it all the way up keeps it silent. Putting it at the middle vibrates the phone. And all the way to the bottom will ring your phone. It's just simple.
Silent, vibrate, ring, silent, vibrate, ring, silent, vibrate, ring.
So let me get this case off to show you the back of the phone. So the back side of this phone is rocking a 2-camera lens, 16 and 20 megapixel with optical image stabilization. And look how pretty she looks on the back side. But with all that said, the most innovative design feature on this phone would have to be in the screen. Yeah, because you see no fingerprint reader, right?
No, sir!
So where's the fingerprint reader? Or does it even have one? Well, it does. And it's right there. So, right thumb, bam, unlocked. Locked, bam, unlocked. Locked, bam, unlocked. Now, although it's not as fast as traditional fingerprint readers, it's pretty cool and it's a leap forward into the future. So you like that? You like that? You like it? I sure do. But that brings us to the nifty things that this phone has. You know, the phone is a big screen and sometimes it's hard to reach the top. you don't want to get your thumb out of place just because you're trying to reach the top. And normally that's the issue, but not on the 6T. You see, it doesn't matter where your finger is on the screen. Swipe down and the top drawer will come down. Watch. Let's do it a little lower. Let's do it at the top, bottom. How nice is that? Now that's a nifty feature, but that's not all. If you swipe up, it'll bring the bottom drawer up. Let me show you. Got it low, up, middle, up, top, up. It's so satisfying. So let's say your screen is off and there's a nice photo that you want to take. So how do you get to it? Well, an easy way to do it would be just draw an O. And there's your camera. That's simple. So let's say that it's the middle of the night and you're trying to find your way through the dark. So, well, let's draw a V. The flashlight is on. How cool is that? Draw a V again. Flashlight's off. So nice. Now, they don't stop at just that. They also give you 3 other letters that you can customize to open any app on your phone. And these gestures have come in quite handy and saved me from fumbling around with the phone to open the camera or to open the flashlight. So nice. Oh, well, did I mention that it packs a 3700 milliamp battery? You see, all these features and special tricks would be useless if it had no juice to power it. This is the first phone that I've had that I've never, ever worried about using up all the battery before I can get home to charge it. This is optimized to perfection. But now that brings us to the part of the video where I go over the things that I'm not so thrilled about. So the first thing would have to be this earpiece. It's kind of hard to see, but it's small indeed. Too small. It's tiny, it's powerless, and I catch myself, pressing the volume up button to turn up the volume during calls, but only to find out that it's at max volume. Another thing would have to be the single bottom fire ring speaker. Now, call me spoiled, but after having the S9 Plus and the Note 9, stereo speakers are a must. Now, don't get me wrong, I mean, the single speaker does get up to a decent level, but I find myself, doing this, cupping my hands, so that way I can hear it better. It is what it is. Okay, so we saw the dongle earlier. With the dongle, you don't have something. Have you ever heard that saying that you don't know what you have until it's gone? Well, that has never rang so true than the time that I tried to use this phone to record my videos. Just like, any other phone that I've used in the past. But this time it turned out to be different because it doesn't have a headphone jack. There's no headphone jack. None. On the bottom, on the side, top. There's no headphone jack. And I thought that using the dongle will allow me to record the audio using my Sony 3.5mm mic, just like every other phone. But sadly, that was not the case. And I was so bummed that I had to take December off. So sorry, Handsome Nation, but you can actually thank OnePlus for the month-long break because I didn't have anything to record my videos with. But I mean, that's about all the negative things I have to say about this phone. Yes, the screen isn't as vibrant as a Samsung screen. And the camera has some nice features, but it could use better glass. It's almost there. It's almost the total package. So, is the OnePlus 6T a flagship killer? Like the troll stickers say? I'll leave that up to you. But I will say that Samsung and Apple are on the decline. And OnePlus, is on the rise. OnePlus just may be the future. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the OnePlus 6T, leave a comment below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things Handsome Gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I guess a thumbs down if you didn't care for it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter @HandsomeGadgets. Thank you and have a good one.